Today I'll be going over B2B and B2C. So B2B stands for business to business and B2C stands for business to consumer. So when we're defining both terms, B2B is business to business and involves any transaction between two businesses. So when one business sells their products and services to another business, it is considered a B2B business. Now, there are some companies that do both, where they might have some wholesale programs, they might have some retail programs, and the other option is a B2C. So B2C stands for a business to consumer, and it involves any transaction between a business and a consumer. So when one business sells their products directly to their consumers, they're considered a B2C business. So let's look at a few examples. Let's say I create a fitness e-commerce store. I'm selling treadmills, exercise bikes, and ellipticals. So I ship them directly to my customers when they make an order from my website. So therefore, my company is a B2C business. I'm only selling one treadmill at a time, one exercise bike at a time, one elliptical at a time to a consumer. So therefore, it's business to consumer. Now, in order to run my fitness e-commerce store, I obviously need some inventory to sell. So in order to keep my inventory stock, I work with a wholesaler who sells me, let's just say, 50 pieces of equipment at a time. Obviously, they're selling me equipment for less because I'm buying it in bulk. So if I'm buying 50 pieces of equipment at a time, I'm able to upsell this equipment because I'm selling just one at a time. So I'm buying 50 pieces of equipment at a time from another business. So therefore, that is a B2B business because they're selling their inventory directly to me with a wholesale price, and then I'm able to sell it to a consumer at a retail price. So this is kind of the difference between a B2C and a B2B business. Now, we look at really large companies. They may operate in every single type of business you can imagine, especially something like Amazon. So Amazon obviously has Amazon.com. They sell their products directly to consumers. So if I go to Amazon and I want to buy a new laptop, they're going to sell me one laptop, ship it directly to my house. Now, their online store, Amazon.com, is a B2C business, but they also have an option called Amazon Business that sells products directly to businesses, which makes that version a B2B business. So I can go on Amazon Business, and let's just use my previous example, and try to find a supplier who will sell me some of these different products at a wholesale price, and therefore that's a B2B business because I'm ordering products as a business from another business that sells them. Now, when you're looking at something like Amazon Web Services, they have on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs that they sell to individuals, companies, and governments. So that brings in the third option, which I'm not going to go through too much, but business to government. So Amazon Web Services operates as a business to consumer, business to business, and even a business to government. So you may have one business that operates in some different verticals depending on who they're selling to, what they're selling, and Amazon is one that will sell literally anything to anyone. So the easier example to look at is this, because business to consumer, it would be me selling one product at a time to a consumer. Business to business would be me keeping my inventory stock by purchasing from a wholesaler. So this is B2B, this is B2C. If you have any questions about any of these, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.